Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another daily dash. I'm driving over to Michael's, gotta buy a picture frame and do some other errands. So we're gonna try to pick up some orders that are on the way, convenient and not too far out of the way. I don't have much time to waste today, got a lot of work to do. Today is Monday. It's like, I don't even know what the date is anymore. This is what happens when you just make YouTube videos and work from an office every day. You don't know what, like, every single day of the week is the same for me, and I pretty much have no idea what date it is, but it is Monday, September 28th in Las Vegas. Finally, the heat is below 90 degrees, so we can actually start like going outside and hanging out again. I believe tomorrow is the presidential debate. That's pretty exciting. I'm really interested to see like how Biden does against Trump. That's gonna be super interesting. I almost feel like I'm watching the Super Bowl, but like, I don't know, it's gonna be very interesting. Comment down below what you guys, maybe who you guys are voting for, or like what you guys think about this year's presidential debate, because I know that's a hot topic for everybody, and I mean, personally, I'm just a little embarrassed by both of the choices. I feel like there's so many good presidential candidates out there, but at the same time, like, yeah, I don't know. Who knows who's gonna win? It could be like, I don't know, there's just so many like bricks being thrown on both sides. I try to stay in the middle and try to like stay out of politics too much, but I mean, especially during this time of the year, it's getting a little antsy, so we'll see what happens. Or let's drive over to Michael's, gotta pick up this picture frame. Alright, so I'm getting a little distracted. I just saw this place called Famous Footwear, so I'm gonna go into this place and talk to hopefully the manager and see if we can sell our shoes there, because our shoes are actually so my footwear company, our new shoes, the 4 different colored Ninjas and the Tony Ferguson signature shoes, are actually on a boat and on the way here now, so we can start selling them because they will be here within like 2 or 3 weeks. So if you guys want to check them out, go to offaxisacrobatics.com and use my discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. So we're gonna go check out this Famous Footwear place. So today's topic of the day is gonna be the best times to do DoorDash, and maybe like the best days as well. So like, what are the best days and times to drive around, do DoorDash, GRUBHUB, or Postmates? Because if you are not on a good schedule and like doing them at the prime times, you could be wasting a lot of time and money. There is a significant difference in times if you're doing DoorDash during like downtime than if you're doing it at like prime time. You can make up to like 40-50 bucks an hour, but if you're doing it at the wrong times, you can make less than 10 bucks an hour. So huge difference. So the times that you're choosing to go out and drive are very, very crucial. So what I would recommend, of course, is always dash on the weekends. The weekends is by far the most busy time to get orders. Like, I would say I almost make double the amount on the weekends whenever I'm driving around. But if you're doing it during the week, I would say it generally gets more and more busy throughout the week. Like, it starts on Monday, it's pretty dead. I would say during like 11 to 2 is the best time for lunch hour shift, and then 4 to 8 is probably the best dinner time. Maybe extend it to 4 to 9 or something. But yeah, during the like 2 to 4 and anytime before 11 a.m. or after like 9 p.m., you're not really going to be making much money because people aren't out there eating and stuff. They don't need to go and order food. But if you're doing it like during the prime times, like lunch, a lot of people like to order it to their office building, or they just don't want to leave the house. And especially like dinner time, the dinner time rush is always pretty good. You make pretty good money. And those are the only times that I really ever tried to do any driving around. Because if you're doing the downtime, you don't really make much money, like I already said. So yeah, weekends, you can pretty much do all day long because people are ordering pretty much all day long on the weekends. It's kind of a free-for-all. But during the week, you really want to stick to those lunch and dinner time hours. Let me know what you guys think below. Like, maybe is there a different time for you guys that's more, that's better for you guys to drive around, or what do you guys think about those hours? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, today's question of the day, because I love to learn more about my audience. What's your guys' goal? Like, what are you trying to do right now? Like, currently my goal is I'm mainly focused on my footwear company, and that is getting my footwear company into as many stores as I possibly can. Like, I want to be able to go shopping, and then boom, there's some off-axis shoes right on the shelf. I really think our shoes are as good, if not better, than most of the shoes that they sell. And I know they're really high quality. So the only like barrier is just like our brand is not as popular as it should be to get into those stores yet. But soon it will be. That lady that worked in there had no idea about anything involving shoes. I kind of expected that. Any places that are like kind of bigger corporations like that, they all get their shoes from like the same place, which is like some kind of distributor, which is actually what I need to figure out. Anyway, so we just got to Michael's, gonna go buy a picture frame and then maybe look around a little bit. Waiting for a DoorDash order to come in because I am logged in and I do have a shift that lasts about like 4 hours. So I might just chill and hang out on it all day. I don't really have much to do now. Like my work is significantly cut in half now that the shoes are actually on a boat and I just really can't do anything until they get here. So that's just a quick little update. But yeah, let's go shop around, wait for an order. All right, so we are just waiting in the parking lot. I'm going to log into Postmates and at least have 2 apps going at once so I have a better chance of getting some orders, because right now it's been about 30 minutes. I went into Michael's, I went into the famous footwear place, and now I'm just chilling in my car. Still haven't gotten an order yet. Kind of wasting a little bit of time trying to do my social media work though. Whenever you're running like a social media business, well, basically my business makes all of our money off of social media, so I'm always looking at social media. Like the first thing I want to hire is a social media employee so I can stop looking at Instagram and Facebook and stuff. But yeah, so we're just sitting around. I'm gonna log into Postmates and maybe get an order on there. If not, then we're gonna head home and have another boring video. All right, look at that. I'm logged into Postmates for like 2 minutes and I already got an order, and it's from Baskin-Robbins. All right, that sound from Postmates is the most annoying thing ever. Like they should just be like DoorDash and just give you like a quick chime instead of just a continuing chime. We're gonna do this order from Baskin-Robbins. Honestly, I might get some ice cream while I'm there because it sounds pretty good. All right, so we just picked up the order, just leaving Baskin-Robbins. I did get myself something. Got a double scoop of ice cream. Had to do it. Yeah, it's only like $2 too anyways. So we got to take a photo of this receipt because you're on Postmates and you got to do all that stuff yourself. On DoorDash, they don't make you do that. Unfortunately, we're gonna have a problem because my phone doesn't take photos anymore. It just like broke randomly, and I went to buy the iPhone, a new iPhone the other day, but the new iPhone 12 is coming out pretty soon, so I did not end up getting it. I'm gonna wait for that phone to come out. So Postmates might be a little pissed with my picture that I post. All right, so we are going to wrap it up right there. This has probably been like the most unactive hour of all time. We only got 1 Postmates order this whole time. So probably not the greatest time. It is Monday and it is like the middle of the daytime, which is what this whole video is about, was dashing at appropriate times, and I am not even following my own instructions right now. I'm dashing at a terrible time, so that's probably why we didn't get anything today. Anyways, thank you guys. Subscribe if you guys have not yet to the channel, and please give this video a nice big like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.